Hi guys, hope you are right. Welcome to my new video. If you're here for the first time, my name is Gopal. Let me show you something which will give you a smile on your face just like me. Here's it, GoPro Hero 9. So I was waiting for this for a long time and it just got mine. So let me unbox for you.
Let's see what's in the box. And this time they have given a travel hard case which is very handy. Here are some instructions, GoPro stickers which you can stick anywhere. Let's see what more. One curve adjustive mount which we will talk later how to mount the GoPro. USB-C cable to charge. Empty screw for mounting. And the battery. The battery is a 1720 mAh lithium-ion rechargeable battery. Now the main unit, GoPro Hero 9. It feels more premium and solid and definitely more fatter than the previous version but not heavier. It's about 158 gram which is good for mounting at certain places. It has a new caseless design with built-in mounting rings and a more compact front lens. Let's fit in the battery and boot up. As I said, the battery is bigger than the previous version which is predicted to last for more than 1 hour on 4K recording. Now, I want to highlight this point that GoPro 9 is the cheapest GoPro ever. I live in Europe and here it cost me about 379 euro with subscription and 429 euro without subscription. Let's set this up. It's a simple upgrade. With a larger 2.27-inch display and the front, you'll find the biggest upgrade with a built-in 1.4-inch display which is quite helpful for vloggers. With this, you can shoot to 5K, 4K, 2.7K and 1080p. And with this pack, I got an SD card of 64 GB and an extra battery which will be useful for full day of shooting. So here's the mount to clip onto the rings and then screw it. These mounting rings are replaceable in case if you break it. Looks very handy and a perfect package for vloggers. I've taken few samples of video to show you guys. The 5K sensor, return of detachable lens, the addition of max lens media mode, and the heap of solid upgrades like horizon leveling makes the Hero 9 a powerful tool for videographers, as well as the front-facing screen makes it even more appealing for vloggers. If you like my video, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks for watching.